All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. How are we all doing today? So we have to go through this post from Royce. Many of you know him. I don't need to introduce him to you. You know him already. Not that you know him in person, but at least you have seen his post. Not one, not two, not three. Many of you believe that he has nothing to do with Biafra Liberation Army. He claimed that he is. That's why I post self-acclaimed Biafra Liberation Army Commander Royce. So what he said, we are going to go through it on this video. I don't want the video to be too long. Please do me a favor and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and put your comment. I want to know what you think about it. So let me share it with us because it's very, very important that we do so. Here is a post from Royce. Okay, and I'm gonna make it. Let me make it more wide. Just a moment. Okay. How will I put this now so that you will see that? Okay, let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. I just let me see if the screenshot will be okay for you to know. And here, Roy says something here. He said, so many men on ground are really not smart enough to read the handwriting on the wall. Same thing. Look at it here. Okay. Same thing I saw since 2022, even when Prime Minister Samanekba was not yet invited and exposed, is what some men on ground are now confirming and regretting. This is the main reason why PM Simon Ekpa kept Roy's secret, always keeping secret away from anyone. Why I'm laughing is because this our brother often, he loved to praise himself so much. He don't joke with himself like that's one of the things that he normally do. He said he PM even made comments in praises of Royce some time ago when he said we now have international trained personnel in BDF. Okay, now who the enemy will use to destabilize what we are doing. When it started happening, everyone was deceived, and now thinking that Royce is the bad guy. Why opposite is the case? I know how all of them in government contacted Royce to succumb to their atrocities. But since Royce have his eyes fixed on the ball, that alone now turned Royce to a bad guy. I know the toughest secret. I know the toughest secret I have with the PM. Only I and PM knows this. You know, when you hear about people in the government trying to make him succumb, he's actually trying to tell you that some people in the army or elsewhere are trying to make him to follow USB government. But he said that he cannot succumb to the atrocities. But he did not mention those atrocities. He just said it for saying sake. He went on by saying, and from here, and that is what caused the clash between Royce and that woman. Honestly, there's not you have I don't know anyway, but the thing like I have to in fact let me just say it. The truth is that I don't think that you have ever have any communication with CS. So you just hate CS because Eggman hates CS. That's gospel truth. Because you and Eggman are 5 and 6. I'm not gonna go further. I hate addressing them by their names because they are rotten. All I said must happen as Chineke, Chukwukadram. All I said must happen and must come to pass. Okay, let me talk about. So both those in government and those on ground that fights Royce today What is happening? What is happening now? The only secret in Biafran is purity, truth, and sincerity, and diligence. Once you are outside of these four major rules, you will be ashamed. If not now, it will be sooner than you expected. Any day you want to speak, and any day you want to speak, and it come to pass, equip yourself in these four rules, and you will see it happening. I, Royce, I am not more human than you reading this, but the ability to embedded myself in these rules makes us different. It sounds good, but the thing is that, like I said, self-praise, I don't think is necessary. Personally, if you begin to praise yourself or overpraise yourself, I actually see you as someone who is not, like, you don't have anything to offer. I don't know about the other person, but that is me for you. I am the kind of person that love to allow people to sing that praise. Sing it yourself. Don't involve me. If you want to praise me, you can go on and praise me. But immediately you begin to act as if you are God. You are, I won't take you serious anymore. So the whole thing is still going back to what is trending, which is looking for a way to claim publicly that COS and USB, they are wrong, that they are not the person, they are not the right people, right track, and all that, which is a lie. Okay, it's a lie from pit of hell. But they are hell bent in making sure that they talk down on everybody to elevate themselves. I saw one guy, which I'm gonna bring, later. Maybe when I because I will publish a video like I promised of comments of this the confuse people, confuse people. Some of them hit on my comment section and begin to put some unhealthy comments. Okay, and like I said, I've taken screenshot of that, but I'm gonna write on it. I will upload it, of course. And not only that, one of them that actually put a comment there on my one that that is a part of those screenshots that I have saved already. I noticed that there's a video he uploaded in his own account. When I viewed that, I saw myself in that video and Kenena, and he said that we are agent of Ngozi. Some of them actually believe that we are being paid. That is very, very funny. If you don't like truth, I will not be your friend. You will see me as your enemy. But I know myself. I'm going to leave it there. So, like I said, this is going to be a quick one. Royce has actually contributed his own quota in making sure they preach against USB to tell you that USB is the problem. Because remember, Royce and Eggman are friends. Royce went to Eggman and, to add his voice. Now, Royce is also attacking Ogenkere, attacking success, just to prove that they are working hand in hand with the Royce, of course. And if some of you claim that we are getting it wrong, so be it. The only thing I want you to know is that focus on what you think is right and leave the rest for God. Do not go after anybody's life. Do not come after anybody. Last time I checked, like Roy said here, he don't like to call people's name, but he is the first person who actually claimed that he banned COS from entering Biafra land. How many of you remember that? There was a time he said, "You are hereby banned. We are not going to enter Biafra land anymore." He said that to COS. And many of you that are aware, to you is a normal talk. No, it's not a normal talk. Please, like I said, I'm going to leave it here. Please make sure you like the video and tell me what you think about what Ross said. Take care of yourself and see you again